It is a great day here at Byrider in Waukesha, and we are excited to help you get driving in a great car. And our feature car right now is our 2013 Buick Verano. Look at this car shine, ready to go and hit the road at our Waukesha location, W226, South 1700, Highway 164, 262-506-3131. The car has great interior room, functional designs, backup cam, nice and clear, safety first, tons of room in the cabin. It has a grain wood finish, push to start engine. Back seat is roomy and luxurious. Some more of that fine detail. And the key has a remote start.